Let's talk about creating a card within Supered. So within Supered, your cards are your content. Cards live in bases. So to create a card, you will need to either select a base that you want this card to exist in or create a base. So I've selected this base right here, and to create a card, we are simply going to hit this plus sign here. And on the drop down, we're going to hit create card. Now, once you have your card created here, it should feel pretty familiar. It should feel like every word processor you've used. It's got your typical bold, italicized, underline, strike through, all of that good stuff. Where cards get particularly powerful is the ability to embed additional content alongside of rich text, such as things like videos, PDF files, any sorts of media. So I'm going to do a backslash on my keyboard here to bring up this shortcut here. And we can see all sorts of different types of content that you can house in your card. In addition to being able to insert content that you've already created into a card, you can organize your cards within folders within your base. So as you can see here up at the top here, it says no folder. If I were to create this card, we're just going to call it test, and create. I do have the ability to shift it around into different folders within that base, or I can move it into different bases if I've created this in a base by mistake and I need to move it up into a different base itself. I can move it by dragging and dropping.